Hey everyone, welcome back to the Guaranteed channel. I'm your host, Dominic Jackson, and today we've got a crucial topic to discuss that could make or break your financial security, and that is freezing your credit. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on all things credit and your financial freedom. So, why freeze your credit? First up, why would you want to freeze your credit? The reasons can be as diverse as our audience, but they usually boil down to three main points. First, identity theft protection. Freezing your credit is a rock-solid way to prevent unauthorized accounts from being opened in your name. The second is control. This action puts you in the driver's seat by letting you control who can access your credit report. Now, let's be honest. How often do you honestly need your credit ran? If it's not that often, do you need it to be unlocked? Freeze it, especially in a day and age when identity theft continues to be the #1 crime in America. I don't see that changing. Freeze your credit. You can always unlock it when you need to apply for a loan or a credit card or anything that you decide on. The third thing, peace of mind. Maybe you're going through a major life change, like a divorce or a move. Freezing your credit gives you one less thing that you have to worry about. So let's talk about how to freeze your credit. Knowing why is one thing, but let's talk about how to actually freeze your credit. You need to contact the three major credit, what I like to call them, reporting agencies. Again, that's a whole nother video, but a lot of people will say credit bureaus. So Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, you want to contact each and every one of them. Or you can utilize services like LifeLock or others. Whether you're an online guru or you like doing things the old-fashioned way through snail mail, or you like to pick up that phone, the fact is, you've got options. Just remember to keep the PIN or password you'll receive secured and store that somewhere safe. So, what are the pros and cons? All right, let's be fair and square. There are pros and cons to this. Here are some of the pros. The upsides include enhanced security and, like we talked about, greater control over your credit information. And oh, did I mention it's usually free as well? What are some cons, the downsides? Well, you might find it a tad inconvenient when you're applying for a loan, renting a place to stay, or even switching jobs, as you'll need to temporarily lift the freeze. But all in all, is it really that bad? Are those really cons? I wouldn't imagine so. There you have it, folks. A complete guide on why and how to freeze your credit. If you're interested in diving deeper into topics like this, remember that we're always here at the Guaranteed Financial Consulting and Chief Incorporated to offer personalized credit and financial solutions just for you. Don't forget to smash that like button if you like this video and if you feel it brought you any value, and let us know what topics you'd like to see in the futures. Until next time, keep striving for your financial freedom and better credit health. Take care and let's get it.